Today just showing up repotting of this small pine. That's all. This is always doing in this season. Repotting is not one of many jobs. So. Today I'm making this of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 pots. Wait. So, how old is this pine? Do you think? Do you know that? Can you imagine? This seedling. This is 6 years old. So this is a small pine, white pine, and it grows very slow. It takes time to be big and really big. So, but these are coming from seeds. So some are really good leaves. Some just ordinary. Like, let me see. Can you see this one? This one is very small leaves, but this one is large leaf. You know, yeah. Because these differences happens when you grow up from seeds. It's natural. Making material from seeds, you can get a very nice material if you are lucky, and maybe you will have ordinary seedlings, many, and some are really bad. So it's just luck. So coming from seeds is not always unstable, and we don't know what will happen. So for example, black pine seedling, if you planted 1000 black pine seedling, then one of it is told to be a kotobuki. You know, kotobuki is a small leaf, special species of Japanese pine. I mean the black pine. And when you happen to have it, you grow it bigger and take it, layering to make it more. And when you making a 1000 kotobuki black pine, then one of it may be senjumal black pine. Oh, this one's just very few roots. So I'm not sure this will survive or not, but try for it. So senjumal is smaller leaves like kotobuki, but they have more buds. They sprout many in spring than kotobuki, so it's a very good species. I really like it, and I'm growing, and it's suitable to make many bonsai. these seedlings are called bonsai white pine. Very small and grows very slow, but it's suitable to make a very tiny bonsai. I like this. I'm not making this from seedling. There's a farmer who are making this from seedling, and they grow about 2 years or 3 years. So those seedlings, I buy it and I grow up more and sell it. Maybe someone bought this and that guy will grow up better. So that's the cycle of bonsai growing. So there are people who is making only seedling, but many, and someone buying just seedling and make a good material, and someone buying material and make it to a good bonsai. And finally, those bonsai will go to your place. That's a cycle. So we don't make it from seed to a good bonsai. There's a part we play. Always. My part, buying a seedling and make a material. And you buy from me, then you make a good bonsai from it. That's it. Sorry about the 12 pines today. Thanks for watching. It's just showing up what I'm doing always. Thank you for watching. Thank you.